In today's video, I am going to teach you how to migrate from Mailchimp to Brevo. If you are moving your email contacts over to a new platform, the key is to export your data from Mailchimp in a format that Brevo can import, and then carefully map the fields so your contacts land in the right place. To start, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you are in, go to the Audience section. From there, find the area called All Contacts. This is where you can access the list of people you want to migrate. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct audience, especially if you use more than one audience inside Mailchimp. When you are ready, select the contacts you want to migrate. You can choose individual contacts or you can select a group depending on how your account is set up. After selecting them, you will choose Export Audience. This is the option that prepares your data download. When you export, Mailchimp will generate a CSV file. A CSV is a common spreadsheet format that contains your contact information in rows and columns. Once the download finishes, keep that CSV file accessible because you will use it in Brevo in the next stage. Before you move on, it is helpful to double-check that the CSV includes the information you expect, such as email addresses and names. That way, you avoid surprises during import. Now switch over to your Brevo account. Log in, and then make sure your lists are created or ready to receive the new data. In Brevo, lists are how you organize contacts, so you can send targeted emails. If you already have the correct list set up, you can import directly into them. If not, this is the moment to create or confirm the list you plan to use. The goal is to ensure Brevo is prepared to accept the imported contacts. After that setup is confirmed, go to Brevo and find the Contacts area. Navigate to Contacts, then Contacts again, so you land on the main Contacts screen. From there, click Import Contacts. This opens the import workflow where you will upload the file exported from Mailchimp. When you see the upload options, choose Upload a File. This tells Brevo that the import data will come from a CSV file. Next, select the CSV file you exported from Mailchimp. Choose the correct file from your computer and begin the upload. Brevo will then inspect the file and prepare a mapping step. This mapping step is important because it determines how each column in your CSV connects to Brevo contact attributes. If the mapping is wrong, names and other details might end up in the wrong fields, which can make personalization harder later. Once the file is loaded, you will see column mapping. Select the columns from your CSV and map them to the corresponding attributes in your Brevo account. For example, you will map the email column to the email attribute. You can also map first name and last name to the appropriate name fields in Brevo. Take your time here and make sure each CSV column matches the correct Brevo field. If your CSV uses a slightly different column header, the concept is the same. Match the meaning of the column, such as email address or first name, to the correct Brevo attribute. After the fields are mapped, Brevo will ask you to review your settings. This review screen is where you confirm details for how the import behaves, including opt-in status. Take a close look at the opt-in status of your contacts. Opt-in status is crucial because it affects compliance and how Brevo treats contacts for marketing communications. Make sure the import settings reflect what your CSV indicates and what you intend to do in Brevo. When everything looks correct, finalize the import. Once the import completes, Brevo will update your contacts based on the CSV data and the mapping you selected. At this point, you can return to your contacts list to confirm that the records were imported successfully and that the key fields like email and names appear as expected. And that covers everything you need to know. You exported from Mailchimp, prepared Brevo to receive the data, imported the CSV file, mapped the columns carefully, reviewed opt-in status, and then finalized the import.